What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Asmatic, and I'm back at it with another banger, man. Today, we're gonna be listening to that boy MK Slap. His new song, I forgot what it's called, but we gonna see it in a minute, bro. I just saw them I recommended, and y'all know this nigga MK Slap is a hood staple, bro. If you did not like see that nigga on IG, TikTok, YouTube, any of that when you was growing up, my nigga, you did not have a childhood, bro. MK Slap is that nigga, man. Y'all know he got that Aki body. He swole, you feel me? Doing those nigga been in and out of jail, I think, I don't know, but you feel me, that nigga's a clown, bro. So we about to react to his song. I think I heard a little bit of it on TikTok, and I was like, shit, yeah, I gotta react to this song. You feel me? So yeah, bro, we about to get right into it. I bet it's called Demon Smacker. Let's see this shit. Demon Smacker. Okay, MK. Damn.
I can't keep spending my life committing the biggest sins. I made a promise to my God that I won't sin.
Is this the MK we talking about, my nigga? Slimeball? Is this the MK we all know, bro? God damn. He got that. He low-key sound like Dirtball just without the ad-libs. Like, you feel me? He got that. I fuck with it. And this beat hard.
Can't speak on what I did.
We can
I
speak on.
just give it all to Christ in case I do it again. I can't keep spending my life committing the biggest sins.
Damn.
To my God
That I would never. Oh my God.
you gon' spend. I'm counting Benjamin, but I can't keep living my life just chasing out the wind.
Oh my.
That's how I'm living my life, man. I'm trying not to sin.
I'm trying not to sin.
I'm finna die at the grave. I came back from the dead, but you can say I'm still a slave. Well, you can't say I'm still a slave because I'm blessed, I'm paid.
I'm paid. Damn. Okay, MK.
Thank God he made a way. I'm talking about Jesus Christ.
See, this thing can't be normal for a minute, bro.
Thank God I made
This little nigga is stimming mid music video, bro. You feel me? But hey, it's hard.
I'm talking about Jesus Christ. Yeah, he just gave me life. It's like I'm living twice.
Damn.
It's like I ain't gotta fight. God, your light so bright, it got me higher than a kite. I'm Peter with my knife. You're serving with my life. Faithful Lord. He's yours.
Damn. He's. Oh my God, this beat so hard. You heard that? He said.
It's easy to catch, but it's hard to love somebody. So God, here go my body. Just maybe your number one hobby. Let me touch somebody. Grind on to your love. Just hear me from above. God, your love so tough.
Damn.
That what made me buff. This right here ain't no bluff. This right here from your love.
Oh my
I ain't
God.
gonna hold no grudge.
Damn. See, he's stemming again, bro. This isn't normal behavior. He's stemming. He's stemming right here.
I ain't gonna hold no grudge, cause they ain't gonna move a pudge. God say down, say hood. I'm running for the touch. Let me down.
Down.
I move out of town.
Town?
You bring my enemies down, and you give me a crown. I ain't gotta grab my tool unless you tell me to.
Damn.
And we loosen screws, but I ain't gonna be no fool. Jesus Christ, my faith in you, and it's like that for life. Gave me eternal life. I'm waiting for you to come back. This ain't about MK Slack.
Damn. Jesus coming back. Oh yeah.
We hate that. We smoke on fake guys too. It don't be a op. All my ops got dropped. No, we don't praise our law. All praise be the job. Jesus Christ is Lord. Jesus Christ is King. Jesus Christ my sword. You my everything.
Damn, MK. Okay, MK Demon Smacker. That's why it's called Demon Smacker. This hard. This hard. That boy made a song about Jesus. Okay, this hard. Let's see the comments. Okay. You feel me? That nigga ain't paid for that shit. I might have to add this to the motherfucking playlist. No cap. You feel me? This tough though, for real. But yeah, man. I'm trying to do more music reactions, bro. I love doing music reactions. You feel me? If y'all got any, send me them. But, you feel me? I'm gonna see you on the next one, man.